I don't know if he's going to be mad that we made no money and also broke the excavator that we rented under his name and his credit card, but...
What the fuck happened here? What the fuck is going on?
Oh, we also destroyed the house, which he also doesn't know about that. But he's
What the fuck happened here?
We're utilizing the resource.
What am I looking at? What did you do to my house? Dude, what is this?
We're utilizing the
Where did you get this?
I rented it with the credit card.
What the